What up, people? So here we go. This is the video diary of what we're doing, okay? The new hobby is FPV Drone Racing. It's my new hobby that I'm getting into, okay? And if you don't know anything about this new hobby, well, it can be kind of expensive. So, especially if you're like me and you want to jump in both feet. Because, well, I'm a nut. So anyway, let's see. Let me flip this around. Alright, so here's what we got, alright? My Tyrannus QX7 radio. I bought a Furby X215 Pro. I built an owl as my first build. My next video is going to be into the mistakes that I've made building an owl. I shouldn't have built such a small drone first. I probably should have built a full size 5-inch like the Furby. I probably should have built that first. So anyway, the mistakes that I made while making this owl, I'm going to cover those in a separate video. But all this fun and fantastic information is going to go to my webpage. So I bought Omway commanders. I bought an E007, receiver for my kid. I've been investing one of my kidneys into batteries. So I got a lot of good stuff. Oh, the eSheen E10 OS, great little micro. A good first micro to learn how to fly. Really cool, really fun to fly. Anyway, I just got most of this stuff in the last couple days. I've been working on building the owl. I gotta work on keeping the video in the center. So anyway, I'm gonna talk more in depth in that in another video. But so basically, here's my first. Let me move. So this is my first table where I was building my first drone. Was using this table. But I've since decided to clean up and, well, as you can see, I don't know about clean up, that's probably not the right word, but as you can see that I've decided that I'm going to make a more permanent area that I can use for building drones. So, and what do I mean by that? Well, we're going to put in some, electrical outlets right here. I'm going to work on that right now. I'm going to build a shelf right here. On the shelf, I'm going to put my laptop so that I can stream while working on this stuff. I'm going to build in a bracket that holds across right here that I can center my webcam so that you get, let me see if I can flip this over. You get a downward perspective into when I'm working on the table. So I'm going to build a whole little thing right here so that when I'm working on a drone, I can use the camera and zoom in on stuff and then show stuff, and then I can do a downward perspective instead of an angled perspective. So I'm going to get away from the angles and go into the up and down. And then obviously I'll have a webcam connected from the laptop, which I'll record myself so you can see me. But we'll get some tunes going in here. We're going to work on this. So I moved an extra light in so we can really light up this area. So, and this light's actually very bright. So I should plug in. I don't think it's plugged in right now, but I'll show you up. Oh God. Yeah, it's not plugged in. Yeah, so you can see I was jumpering shit across the garage. It's just fucking pain in the ass. Anyway, we're going to clean this up. We're going to get it done right. And then that'll be in our second vlog, okay? Will be what we've done, the steps to taken to correct our work area. Anyway, till then. Alright bros, welcome back to Twisted's Garage. This is episode 2 in our vlog, okay? We are, same day, just later, obviously. As you can see, it's pretty dark outside. But, we did make some progress. So, let me give you guys a look at this. We got the wires pulled. Obviously I had to cut an access port so I could drill through the header. That was a mess. But I plan to just put a 12-inch PEEP panel, that you normally use for tubs, just to cover that hole. So I'll hide that hole with that. But anyway, just in the process of wiring in my plugs and my light switch, which will now power my beautiful new light that I have ready to go. But anyway, I'm not finishing this today. I'm going to finish this tomorrow. So we will get back to it tomorrow. Go from there. But overall, we're making some progress. So, just want to talk briefly about this battery that I got. I flew it today, not this one, but another one that I have. I bought 2 of these when I initially bought them, And it's a good battery, but this battery I'm having an issue with is it's dying. 2 of the cells are dying. Instead of charging, they're dying. So I'm trying to get this replaced from Banggood, but these are what, dingy. Let me see. See if I get this to focus. I'm gonna zoom in here. Why aren't you focusing? It's still not focusing. Stupid camera. Anyway, it's a Dino G. A Dino G, that's what it is. I thought it said dinghy. Jesus. I was gonna say it didn't have a picture of a boat, it's got a picture of a dinosaur. Where's that camera coming from? Oh, it's the red light on the camera. Dude, I was tripping out on that. But anyway, this is a Dino G. Why the hell isn't this thing auto-focusing? You figure that out. Where are you, autofocus? Strange. Is that it? No. Anyway, let's get back to what's important. Instead of me screwing around with the camera, where am I? There I am. So, let me zoom back out. I know you guys don't want an extreme close-up of my face. So, this Dynegy battery, it's actually pretty good, but this thing, I ran my nods or my goggles, my Omni Commander goggles on this battery once on this battery, and it's already fucked. So, buy them at your own risk, bros. Buy them at your own risk, because they could be bad, they could be good. You never know. The other one that I have, I got 7-minute flight time out of it with a Furby X215. It was beautiful. It was a great day. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This was just my rant about crappy batteries. Till next time. This is Twisted, signing out. What up, guys? Check out the webpage if you guys haven't. The picture's right here. This is where all my FPV related stuff's gonna be. And if you love this stuff, well then, by all means, support me on Patreon. The link is on the webpage. Thanks.